Good morning, guys. Ready for another project? I am indeed, even though I am on crutches. Well, I'm actually standing by myself for a second. There's the crutches. I just got a bum knee. Anyway, I'm excited about this new project. It's going to be wainscoting in the bedroom, master bedroom on the far wall, just the top half. And here's a look at what we've just purchased. Okay, there it is. Cut for us. Custom cut for us. From 2 pieces of 1/4-inch plywood. Get 16 cuts out of it, 8 feet long. This was seconds, not the best plywood in the world, but seconds. So they were in Canada, $29.99, the cheapest stuff you can get. Some plywood's $46, some of it's $38 or $9 for a 1/4-inch good on one side. Anyway, that's what we're going to use as shiplap. Prime and paint, put it up, cut it to fit. So I looked over my footage and I realized I'd mistakenly said we're going to use this wood for wainscoting. What was I thinking? We're going to make it into shiplap, homemade shiplap, 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 shiplap. Joanna Gaines, woo! So that's what we're doing with it. Good morning, here's the space we're working with. Doing some prep, not moving the bed, but we're going to do some shiplap all across there. So we're going to move all the side tables and just get ready. Step 1, boys and girls. Mark your studs on the wall. You know, go across till it goes beep. Mark it. Try the other way. Beep. Whoop. Well, whatever. So it's in there. Mark all your studs, then get a level. This one's too long to fit between the ceiling and the top of the bed, but yeah. And then we'll get levels and we'll mark each stud, and that's what we'll gun the nails into. Oh crap, the supervisor's here. What do you think, Lulu? We've got some of the tools. Some of the tools. Outside we've got a saw. Oh, hello little animals. For cutting the lengths, and then I'm gonna do a little hand sanding on some of these boards in case they have raw edges. Here comes our best workman. That's a noisy tool. Studs are marked. Where's your gun? Oh, there you are.
Touch wood.
Easy as that. We've decided to use nickel gaps for the joining pieces as well, the vertical and the horizontal, so that we'll have a uniform gap. There we are. 3 pieces in. Our nickel got stuck in there. And that nickel gap up there, right there, it's a little like a nickel and a half. But it's gonna be fine, it's just rustic. It's just a bedroom, it's just us. Got a few more rows on and it looks super nice. Loving it. Okay, that is the extent of it. That's as far as I wanted to go. We're done for the day. We might put a little trim piece of some type that we have not purchased yet along there. But with everything else that sits in here, what is the point? We won't even see it. We'll have lamps and end tables, side tables, nightstands, whatever you call them. And then we'll have all these little, you know, this busyness of this headboard in the way. So we're done. We'll take the rest of our wood and we'll find a project for it elsewhere. And then I will work on priming and painting twice. Okay, this is the piece of trim we bought to just go on the bottom of the, what the hell is it called? The shiplap. So I'm painting it inside because it's nothing but a snowstorm out there. And it's cold, it's winter, it's Canada. What can you do? And that's what we do. So the next shiplap the next shiplap project will be this wall. Coming your way. Well, we started. It's tricky up there. And it's also late in the day. I painted the trim around there and around this door here. Anyway, it's the end of the day, so that's as much as we can do. Well, that's coming along. Would you believe we have all the wood we need except that one bottom strip? So near and yet so far. Meantime, over in here, I'm starting on the priming. Just did the edges, cutting in. I hardly have any of this. Such is life. Here we are, all primed. Ran out of daylight, ran out of wood. Just need one little strip. So I've primed everything. And although it looks gross, 2 coats of white paint will stick to that. Primed. Just a drop left in the bucket, but I got it all primed by hand. Oops, oh, my sore leg, sorry. Yeah, I stood on those things and did it with a brush. Taking a quick break to paint these. My bedroom lamps. Everything that stands still gets painted white. So that's going to be just lovely. 1 coat of paint put on by hand. Cleaned those cracks out good. And it was difficult hopping on one leg on the bed and that's where we're at. And I finished painting these 2 coats. Everything white. That's going on next. Are you ready for the reveal of the spectacular bedroom? Would you look at that? And it looks good just being halfway down. Looks just dandy. Fancy mirrors, rough shiplap. Kind of goes with these 6-inch boards. It's just getting more and more countryish. And there's a cow over there. So just bask in the glory, guys. Shiplap bedroom. Half a wall. See, the rest you don't even see. And that's it. That's the end of that tutorial. Coming to you live. Another project done. While we were doing the bedroom wall, we decided to do this one in the bathroom. And I've just completed it. A little shiplap wall. Doesn't that add a little something something? Eh? Look at this little country farmhouse. Everything white and ruffly and lovely. I don't like that floor. Never mind. I kind of went with that, which I don't love, but never mind. And so I added this. But never mind. Anyway, that looks good.